The ProSpot PR-5 rivet gun is battery operated. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that slide off with the press of a button. The arm assembly is held on by a nut. Your mandrels, or die sets, will attach on each side of the arm. The force control knob. The force control knob turns counterclockwise to reduce the force, while clockwise increases the force. Here is the trigger button, and here is the release button. This light on the side will indicate if the battery is low or needs attention. A work light is located in the front to help illuminate your work area. Your serial number is located here. On the back side of the unit, we have a QR code which links to training information, videos, and helpful documents. A tool hanger is provided to attach a strap or tool support. For additional grip and mobility, a handle is provided that attaches to each side of the arms for left or right-handed users. This is the ProSpot PR-5 rivet gun system.